Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing old silicone and cleaning the joint with isopropyl alcohol so the new bead adheres properly. Once done, mask both sides to protect tiles and to create a straight edge. Make sure the gap matches the nozzle diameter. Now load the caulk gun and cut the cartridge tip at a 45-degree angle sized for a 1/4 bead. Then squeeze a short test line on scrap tile to confirm flow and pressure before moving on. You hold the gun at a 45-degree angle and apply steady, consistent pressure so the bead lays evenly. Change speed rather than pressure to adjust thickness. Once the bead starts, push the nozzle slightly ahead of the silicone to force full contact and eliminate air pockets. Do not stop and restart in the middle of a run. Then tool the joint immediately using a damp finger or silicone spatula to compress and shape the bead for adhesion and a neat appearance. You remove masking tape within 5 to 10 minutes to reveal crisp caulk edges, then let the silicone cure undisturbed for about 24 hours. Make sure to wipe away any excess while it's still uncured using a solvent or soapy water. Once cured, you'll need to cut it out. If you find poor adhesion or peeling later, re-clean the area thoroughly, apply a compatible primer, and re-caulk with a bathroom-grade silicone. This fixes bond failures and prevents mold.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.